Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Before I start, I want you all to watch this video. Well, you watched the video. India is currently witnessing a health emergency with COVID-19 cases surging continuously and touching new highs every day. Oxygen, beds, remdesivir shortage have added to the country's already struggling health infrastructure. On one hand, COVID-positive patients are struggling to find oxygen cylinders as the hospitals don't have enough supply. On the other hand, even after getting the oxygen supply, it could not reach the patients in need. This terrible incident that has happened in Maharashtra's Nashik has already claimed lives of 22 COVID-positive patients. This is the death toll at the time of recording this video. As per the information, an oxygen tanker leaked at a hospital in Nashik on Wednesday. And soon after, the oxygen supply to the Zakir Hussain Hospital was cut off after the tank's cork malfunctioned, leading to a reduction in pressure. The oxygen supply for patients was disrupted for around 30 minutes. All the victims were on ventilators and in need of constant oxygen supply. Now, Zakir Hussain Hospital is a COVID-dedicated facility in Nashik, and around 150 patients were either oxygen dependent or on ventilators. Before I show you more such visuals, let us hear what the official present at the spot had to say.
क्या हादसा हुआ है और डेथ टोल क्या है?
डेथ टोल 22 है। वो इस अस्पताल में जो टाँकी बिठाई गई थी उस टाँकी का कॉक डैमेज होने की वजह से सवेरे प्रेशर नीचे आ गया। इस वजह से इन्वेजिव वेंटिलेटर पे जितने भी लोग थे उनको ऑक्सीजन टाइम पे मिला नहीं। 22 लोगों की मौत हो चुकी है। वो टाँकी इमीडिएटली एक आधे घंटे के अंदर भी शुरू हो गई। वो अभी उसी टाँकी से सप्लाई हो रहा है, लेकिन इस दौरान जो प्रेशर कम हुआ उस वजह से ये हादसा हुआ है।
सर अभी स्टेटस क्या है?
अभी पेशेंट्स को ऑक्सीजन ठीक तरीके से जा रहा है। कॉर्पोरेशन के सब डॉक्टर्स और महापालिका आयुक्त भी यहाँ मौजूद है। अभी ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई ठीक से हो रहा है।
सर क्या किसी का दोष या कोई ऐसा?
अभी मैं उस पर कुछ कमेंट नहीं कर सकता हूँ। अभी हादसा हुआ, पहले उस हादसे से संवरना चाहिए, उसके बारे में गवर्नमेंट के लेवल पे कोई डिसीजन हुआ।
Now, videos of the incident went viral on social media. Visuals showed gas leaking from the tanker outside the hospital and dense white fumes covering the area rapidly. Panic struck patients and their family members as the oxygen supply was stopped suddenly. Heart-wrenching visuals showed families trying to help the patients as they gasped for breath. Fire trucks were rushed to the spot to stop the leak. Videos also showed water being sprayed to control the leak. The firefighting team also wore protective gear. Around 31 patients out of 80 who need oxygen have been shifted to other hospitals. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has ordered a high-level inquiry into the incident. He has also announced a compensation of 5 lakh rupees each to the kin of the deceased. Now, on the other hand, Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope has also indicated at a high-level inquiry. He said that those responsible for this accident will not be spared, but no one should politicize this unfortunate incident. This is an attack on Maharashtra. The Maharashtra is mourning over Nashik tragedy. This is what he said. He also added that this kind of episode does not repeat, and that is why the state government will prepare an SOP on management of oxygen plants and storage tankers. He said, oxygen is a precious commodity and we cannot afford to waste it. We will investigate what happened in Nashik Hospital. Meanwhile, Congress General Secretary Sachin Sawant has also reacted to the incident. He has demanded a probe into the incident. He tweeted that hospital is in fact managed by Nashik Corporation, which is under BJP Maharashtra rule, and BJP must take the responsibility of the incident. He asked, where are mayor and 3 BJP local MLAs? Are they absconding? Meanwhile, senior BJP leader and former Chief Minister of the state, Devendra Fadnavis, has said that it was very disturbing and painful news, and also said that truth will come out only after inquiry, but immediate steps are needed to avoid such incidences in the future. Recently, Railway Minister Piyush Goyal had said that Maharashtra will get a maximum share, that is 1,500 metric tons of oxygen supply, after centre's mapping of the need. We will get you all the latest update regarding this incident, this tragic incident. Till then, stay tuned to SW News.